All right, on to another added feature. If you want to be able to control how a document is signed, we can change whether you will allow anybody to sign with a signature, or if you can, if they can text it, put in a text instead, or type in a text, and it can convert into a signature line for you, where they're actually signing it with cursive. Or you can have it turned on for both. So let me show you where you can access that inside of your system. So we go to payments, and then we go to documents and contracts, and all documents and contracts, and then we go to settings. So if we go to document settings, down here at the bottom is where you'll see control signing settings. So this is where the user will be able to sign documents only with the option you select. So if you want them to type it in, you can select type signatures. If you want them to be able to draw their signature out, either with their mouse or their finger, if you are out and you have your phone and your app ready available for them to sign right there on the spot, you can do that. If you want to do both, you can select both, and then that's how you can allow them to toggle between whether they want to type or draw. Once you select what you want them to be able to do or have access to, then you just click save. And then that's how you set up the control signing settings.